Hi, welcome to Health to Infinity with Yulia. Today we're going to be making fresh almond milk. You will absolutely love this recipe, and you wouldn't find anything like that in the stores. It's so delicious that once you try it, you're hooked. Let's get started. First, take 1 cup of almonds soaked overnight. Raw almonds will start sprouting within the first 8 hours of soaking. Strain the almonds and dispose of the water. You won't need it anymore. Add the almonds to the blender. Next, take 3.5 cups of water and add it into the blender. Pink Himalayan salt, just a few small dashes. Next, we take 1 date. Make sure you remove the pit. Add it to the blender. That's all the ingredients we need. Turn on the blender and blend it to a smooth consistency. When you are done, it should have a creamy, frothy look. Next, take a nut milk bag and turn it inside out. Keep the seam on the outside of the bag while straining. This makes it easier to wash. Pour the contents of the blender into the bag. Now we're getting to the fun part. To make sure it doesn't spill all over your kitchen, apply only gentle pressure at first when you start squeezing your bag. Squeeze gently from top to bottom and apply more pressure as you strain out more liquid. However, don't squeeze at full strength. This avoids larger particles being forced through the bag, which will give your milk a grainy texture. We want to keep our milk smooth and creamy. When you are done straining, empty the contents of your bag into a container and save it for later. We use almond pulp to create breads, croutons, and many other recipes. Our milk is done and ready to be served. Pour yourself a glass and enjoy this fresh, frothy goodness. I use almond milk in a lot of raw vegan recipes that I make, so it's a great idea to know how to make it. I'm just gonna go for it. Nothing compares to that. You can't get anything like that at the stores. It just doesn't taste the same. It's fresh, it's silky, it's sweet, it's creamy, it's all of the above. And I think if you have not tried this type of milk that you made at home, you don't know what almond milk is. You will love this stuff. That's it for today's recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe. And hit the bell so you can be notified when a new video comes out. Let's explore the journey to infinite health together.